Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.
What's good, YouTube gang? Welcome back to Jambisco TV. I'm your host Jambisco, back with another bad update with every day with everything new and new and hot in the culture. You don't know what time it is. Yeah man, in today's update we got Fully Bad locking down Boom Sundays while also making a big mistake on stage, while also dissing the Marco Coyote and also performing for Beanie Man. Yeah, gang. Also, we have Byron Messia outside making moves. It's a good look, gang. You don't know what time it is. We're there with the latest updates. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button so you can get the latest and greatest updates. And if you've been watching and haven't subscribed yet, please take this time to do so. Yeah, man, gang. Moving on and the update today. Yeah, man, we got a quick video today from Fully Bad performing at Boom Sunday. Also making a bit of a mistake, on stage, and also performing for Beanie Man, while also dissing, you don't know, the Marco and Coyote. Let's check it out.
I place him there. Mother bad, brother bad, sister bad, Jesus. Well, for time, when you not go there, me know you did not go there. The man we are trained right now on YouTube. Every black I talk about brother bad, sister bad, auntie bad, Beanie Man. We say one uptown. We say one Kingston great. People are not me. And the fans on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. So boom. We need Fully Bad. We need Fully. We need Fully. When I say Fully, you say bad. Fully. Now I am a YouTube war. Now I am a street now. Ladies and gentlemen, everyone come on center stage. The moment you have been waiting for. Can you please take out your phone and put it on play and start video? Kingston Great, one Fully Bad, everything.
No pussy, you hear that? One uptown, one grand spend, you hear that? Dark with dark, you know? I'm not too far to go back and chatting to you, you squeeze something, man. Yo, boom, you know the darkness going on my father. Real space, sir. All who can defend them, buckler, sir. Give me this. They are looking at grand spend tonight. I don't want to go and give me the forward to you, hear that? And bad people I represent for. Make a pussy face, now miss this, now scope, break this, now run. Not like Christopher Cook. Every higher that's like Chris on the engine. And you got your bus up on China, your phone. Watch too much sport, man, I bleach with this, finish yet to get to it. What all this shit got 59? What line up? He called liar, should I keep quiet? Remember David Byrne, go liar. When they pop it still, they are face she tired. Select the iron, reject the giant. Similar to ice in igloo, rubber secure. In a bad this I don't think you continue. Now make the dog you never yet kill you. Somebody get fucked, I never pass this road. Throw upon the roof, in a bad the shoot. Yo, take off my party here, watch, bro. Take off my watch. Say, bad gun. Fully, you hear that? No pussy. No weapon the island. Oh, some boy you chat up. Yo, book. Last week, they see have some dancing on the stage, you know. And we had my father. Yo, squeeze up my boy. Where are them? All who can defend themselves. Give me this. They are looking at grand spend. Over duster.
All of the legs here.
Not boy.
You enough to it.
No pussy. Because the shout at teeth like the candy man. But if you boy a big glass and chatty man. When it nice you want it. One go on with Sean make she knock you out pussy. Don't call me name in your batty man. Which crime she want to do. Nobody know. Level up my back this. Can spit some lyrics. The lyrics not be a bit. Them know 6 mentally, 5 in the head carry. From the text money, then eventually we grab the big stuff and I press. What's up, bossy action? Level up. Yeah, baddest thing. We now have a chatting. When you come to the name, a bad man in a real life. You can't tell about it. But know, man. From forward now looking at the crowd to see if this is some pussy. I know I'm gonna see them. I run. Say fully bad. Yo, squeeze something more for me. My brother. Cool, they hear that my father. Real space, alright? I know we know. I love time the pussy them and lock the door. I say up to and lift up 30 rifle. 30 AK, cause I bought them and lock me out. I will say I know. I bought people me rate. Tell them buck like Chimarco this. They could have been a fan of you, they don't be a fan of you. Shit gun. When the killer never hold the gun, they eat up on the butter cook. Shit like bitchy mama, that's too wicked out here. Them sicky and the great guy Ethiopia. No, me rap never one part of the program. They king of that song. One be sicking really. They push them no bad like baby. So what them Alright, come on, fight stage. No!
Next we have in the countdown, gang, is Byron Messia seemingly outside. Yeah, man, people, let's see Byron Messia outside where it looks like, yo, he's making some move, man. We see him posting pictures and video of him and Meat Mills. We also see Meat Mills posting him as well. Them outside looking like they're getting some work done. You don't know. And also we see Byron Messia seen posted on his IG where he's saying that it seems that he was invited to Dubai by the royal family itself, gang. Let's take a bit of a closer look.
Say I still rep your name forever. Christian Dior. I'm up in.
I like them boy keeping. Boy get busy. Sway, take a few steps back. I'm bored.
Wrong them.
Hey,
Guys, please, everyone go behind for a second. Go behind? Yes, we're gonna
that is it.
put it on. Let me see.
Bad minded when me blast off the spaceship.
Somebody made that with the chauffeur. Who's I mean the chauffeur? This one is the bird with the one.
Yeah, man, and there you have it, gang, with today's quick update. Yeah, man, let me know what your thoughts and comments is down below. Yeah, man, what you think about Fully Bad locking down Boom Sunday and the little bit of mistake he made on stage, and what you think about him freestyle for being a man, and in this about the Marco and Coyote. You don't know, and are you ready for Sting? You know what I'm saying? Also, let me know what you think about Byron Messia out here making moves, man, really doing this thing, man. You see me? Out here having his way, Byron Messia. So shout out to Byron, making big moves, getting invited to Dubai, the royal family, out here making moves with Meat Mills. Really dope to see, man. Glad for the culture, glad for the glad for the dogs, man. So we like to see we artists that might live life and make moves. You see me? So let me know what you think about that in the comment section, gang. Let me know your thoughts and concern. You see me? What you think about Byron Messia and Fully Bad and what's going on in the state of dancehall. You see me? I'll just share another quick update. Thought you guys might want to know all this stuff. So let me know in the comment section. We'll be back tomorrow with another update and more videos. So if you haven't already, please go ahead, hit a like and subscribe and become part of the gang. Yeah, man. I appreciate the love and support, gang. Till next time, it's boy Jambisco. I'm out.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.